What's up, guys? This is Jason over at Kaiser Willys. I'm back on Mike's CJ-3B front end. And what we've got here today, another tool that I told you guys about. This is going to be how we're going to remove this yoke from the pinion shaft. So we're basically going to use this drive pin. This is a tool that we sell at Kaiser Willys. It gets held right here with 2 bolts on the yoke. You've got this center drive pin right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to drive this straight down. It's going to hit the pinion shaft and it's going to pull the yoke up. I suggest putting a little bit of grease on pretty much any sort of pin that's going to get some heavy duty pressure and friction in this case. So we're going to put a little bit of that on there. Try to get things centered up. There we go. Like so. Now, we're almost there. There we go. There you have it. We've pulled our yoke from our pinion. Now we can remove this seal, clean everything up, put a new seal on, keep moving. So if you want to see one of these tools, pick it up at kaiserwillys.com, find it useful, and yeah, another one of those, just toss it in the bag. Thanks for watching, guys.